Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using only one account of My Lead Gen Secrets, day 51 I believe. And the reason why we only using one account specifically is to show people like the beginner how they would get results if they just started and you know, just kind of kept at it like I'm doing and making videos about it. I'm doing pretty well with this product here particularly, and I just like showing people that it's absolutely possible to make money online. It's not that hard, and you only do this, it only takes about 5 minutes. But before we get started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. All the links in the description below, and let's get to it. All right, so first I want to go over the reasons why I like promoting the all-in-one $25 digital business. It's because hold on guys, stuff popping up on my computer, I'm sorry. It's because of the product. It's essentially a very well made funnel builder, which is very lucrative for people to make money online with. Anybody would tell you that you need some sort of funnel builder to make money online, whatever you may do, like whatever the product is you're trying to sell or anything like that. You need use a funnel builder to do that. And it's a very silent and easy to make funnel builder. There's no limitations on the funnel builder for $25 a month. That's not even the only thing you get, but I think essentially that's what you get. And the most important feature, I guess you could say. And it's only $25 a month with no limitations. And I think the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, which is $97 a month, which is insanity. And there's all kinds of limitations to it, like you only have a certain amount of people looking at your funnel, not even logging in or clicking in, or like contact lists or whatever, but just looking at your funnel. That means when a certain amount of people look at your funnel and say no and click out of it, that's a number. They keep that number up and tally up until it get to a point where, okay, he's exceeded like 2,000 views or whatever, we need to shut him down. And then you have to pay the $300 to get that removed. So it's just insanity. I can't believe I used to do that. But anyway, let's keep it moving. And the second reason, the most important reason I think most people are very interested in the $25 all-in-one business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, guys, which is absolutely insanity. I don't know how they do it. And that's OnlyFans type money. That's the only thing I can think of that does that 80% recurring commissions. OnlyFans. And you know how much money them girls make on OnlyFans. So that's the only thing. The closest I've seen was a product I used to promote called Savings Highway Global, which was, I think it was $50. It was 50% initially. Like the first sale you get 50% of it. And then it's 25% afterwards, which is wildly different from what the $25 all-in-one digital business. That's why I've kind of started promoting this product, cause I like it more in general. It's a better product in my opinion. And yeah, you save a ton of money, but you make a lot of money as well. So anyway, let's get to it. We're gonna see what our results are real quick, guys. So anyway, we see right here, it looks like we got a lot of sales yesterday, but let's refresh and see what's going on here. All right, this is a lot of sales. A lot of these are rebuilds, guys. So I think we only got 2 sales here. But the rest of them rebuilds from last month, guys. All them sales we got last month, they starting to show back up. So yeah, I have to think about those as well when I do these. I'm pretty sure I only got 2 sales though. But 2 sales, guys. Clap, man. That's pretty good, right? And so
Nice.
that's how easy it is, guys, to get sales with this product. It's so easy. Just promote it like I'm doing. I'm doing exactly what I'm doing, guys, and you can get there as well. And One thing I want to say, if somebody doesn't refresh their page like I just did there to show results, then it's very easy to turn all these numbers around. They can show you a fabricated page and put like thousands of dollars. Like they can put like 100,000 here, 20,000, all that through to make it look like it's a ton of money they're making. But that's why I refresh the page. If they don't refresh the page, you can't believe the results. I'm gonna put it like that. All right, so let's keep it moving here. All right, so we're gonna sign in and all the stuff, blah blah blah. So we billing my money up. Okay, so what was the next email from that point? Full week and the money keeps climbing. Let's pick that one. So all right, so what you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna pause and copy that title right there. And then right here, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna pause and copy this email the way I got it wrote here. And I'll just show every part here so you guys can see the whole thing. Y'all can pause it anytime y'all want. I'm just showing you everything. You know, the email that I wrote myself. These are emails I wrote myself. That's why I don't got no document or anything I can give you guys, but you can just pause it and write it yourself. You don't really need to put a picture of yourself. You don't want to. That's totally fine. I just do it because I got one. You know, you don't really need to. You can just put your name or whatever. It doesn't really matter that much. I seen it work with the photos. I seen it work without the photo. I seen it work without even pinning a signature. So it's up to you what you want to do here. Make sure you hit perfect timing. Perfect timing does is send an email around the time that they check their emails as well. Also, before I forget to do it, this is where you put your link at right here. This is the link you're gonna use here. Make sure I show this, guys. I got this question one time, like, where do I put my affiliate link? So I was just, where do I get my affiliate link from? So on and so forth. So that's why I started showing what you do here. Okay, so you just get this link right here. All-in-one 25 digital business sales letter. You just copy that right there and you just put it in right here. I already did that, so you don't got to do it, but that's how you put the link into the email that you're gonna send. You just double click where you want it to go and then hit this right here. This button here says link. That way you can put a link at. I just want to make sure I show that just in case anybody else have a question on that. But anyway, that's all it is to it, guys. And we send the email. That's honestly it. Very easy to do. Only take about 3-5 minutes every day. Very simple, and you make money, guys. Come on, 5 minutes, you make money. Come on. All right, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. All the links in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.